On a bill of fare today, we have goat meat light soup and fufu. Oh my goodness, it tasted so good. Okay, the soup, very flavorful, and if you try this recipe, you are not going to regret. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. If today is the first time here, my name is Lena and welcome. We share easy recipes here, so that is the reason I don't want you to make it the last time of visiting. Subscribe or follow for more videos. It is absolutely free. For us to start, we are going to prepare our fufu. Okay, so I have mixed my fufu flour with some water, and you can get this from any African market or your market. Okay, wherever you are, you can get it. So after mixing it, we are just going to give it a stir, just like how you are seeing on the screen. You have to make sure that you keep an eye on it so that it doesn't become lumpy. And this fufu, when I finished preparing it, oh my goodness, it was lump free and very smooth. The person who requested for this, oh my goodness, they really fell in love with it. We are on all social media platforms. The name is Exhibiting Mommy's Recipes. Please follow us for more videos. It is absolutely free. If you want short videos, follow us on Instagram, TikTok, and then our YouTube shorts. We are there. Now, whilst we are preparing this, we want to start with our goat meat soup. I have my goat meat here and my intestine. Okay, the goat meat is the male one, so you can just imagine it is very flavorful. I will go ahead and then add my pepper, ginger, garlic, onion to this. Add my salt. Use any seasoning of your choice that you like. Okay, now I rinsed the blender, added it to my pudding, and we are just going to allow this to be on fire so that it can cook very well. I mean, we want it very soft. Okay, you know how hard male goat is, so you have to cook it very well before you proceed. I hope you understand it. Yeah, now I'm going to add my natural herbs and spice blend. I am a fan of natural spices. Okay, I love them. And then herbs. Yeah, so that is what I've added. I will then wait for the meat to cook very well, as I said earlier, and when it is ready, I will get back to you, or I will update you. Okay, thank you so much. Please remember to wash the goat meat very well. Okay, wash it very well before you use it. It is very, very important. What I just added was salt, but I've said it earlier. Now this is how the meat is looking. Absolutely flavorful and very delicious. I'll give it a stir. Make sure the seasoning and then everything enters everywhere. I just want it to be well seasoned. Okay, that is what I mean. Brofono enye easy. That is just by the way. Yes, so make sure the season enters everywhere, or it is well seasoned. Okay, yes. Now after that, I am just going to attend to the fufu, and then I will get back to the soup again. Just look at how it is looking so good. At this moment you may think it is lumpy, but my dear, it is not. But make sure you keep an eye on it. Just look at how smooth. Oh my goodness, I just feel like eating fufu for the first time today. It looks so smooth and very delicious. Yes, so there are some people, they don't like their fufu to be very hard. Others, they like it. Okay, but with this fufu, we don't want it soft and we don't want it hard. So I think this texture is okay, but if you think it is hard for you, you can add water to it. If you are still with me, it means you like what you are seeing. Can you please smash on the like button for me and share this video to others? Let me see your comments in the comment section, and I will take this opportunity to inform you that I have another channel which we share recipes there, but we do it in the local dialect. Okay, you know, it's not everyone who understands English. Okay, so please follow us there, and the name is Recipe goddess. Oh yes, recipe goddess. So please follow us on YouTube, recipe goddess on YouTube. Now our fufu is ready. I will mold it and then we continue. Let's get to the soup. The meat is also ready. Now just look at that. Very, very, very delicious already. As I'm talking to you now, I have boiled my fresh tomatoes, fresh garden eggs. Okay, after blending it, or when it was ready, I blended it and then sieved it, okay, or strained it. So that is what I've added to the meat, and I'm just going to add some water to it. Just prepare it the way you want it, okay? If you want it thick, you make it thick. If you want it light, you want it light. So I am preparing light soup, okay, not thick soup. So we are making it light. But when you are adding the liquid to it, be very, very mindful. Make sure the water correspond with your proteins, okay? Do not use a lot of water and then your meat is like maybe 3 or 4. So I added a tablespoon of tomato paste for the color as well, okay? If you don't want it, if you don't like it, do not add it. Yes, now we are going to give it a stir and then ensure that everything is okay there, because I am not going to add any salt, anything to the soup again. I mean anything that contains salt to the soup again, and I think it is perfect. We are going to leave it on fire, and when I'm about to add any other ingredients, I will share it with you. Just look at that, it looks so good. After some few minutes, like 20 to 30 minutes, oh my, oh my, oh my, oh my, it looks absolutely inviting. And just look at that with the fufu. My goodness, it will really taste good. It was so nice. At this moment, I have some cooked pepper, okra, and then garden eggs aside, which I'll be adding to the soup if I am serving it, okay? Yes, and as you all know, we paired it with the fufu, and the fufu looks so smooth. Just look at that, so perfect and absolutely good. Now I will package it in my rubber or the package that I'm going to use, okay? And then we are good to go. The fufu is ready. The soup is also ready. Thank you for watching today and watching me all the time. See you in the next one, and take good care of yourself. Bye.